If you want to order bees, make sure you buy them from a reputable bee supplier. Contact your local beekeeping association and they'll help you find one near you. Check the link in the comments. Now, the price will depend on your location and breed of the bees. I live in the Midwest, so here I can get Italian bees for $125, Carniolan bees for $135, Russian bees also for $135, and Saskatraz bees for $145. Each box will come with around 10,000 bees, a feeding can, and a mated queen.